Proposition 28, I suggest we should separate what we call the universe with a capital U from our universe with a lowercase u. Our universe was created during a discrete sequence of events that took place during a specific span of time over some specific span of space. Our universe is but a cosmic speck of dust floating along in an infinite sea of cosmic dust. The universe is that infinite sea of cosmic dust. An eternal and infinite amount of time and space and matter and energy that extends infinitely outwards and infinitely inwards has always existed, was never created, and in turn contains an infinite number of pockets of relative space-time at an infinite number of different scale factors. So to make things less repetitive moving forward, I have coined the term post, to be short for pocket of space-time. It really means a pocket of relative space-time mass energy, but porstny just does not quite have the same ring to it. Every pocket of space-time is a post, and our post with a capital P is the same as our universe with a lowercase u. The universe with a capital U is the multiverse.